Hello and welcome to Class Fitsugar. I'm Nikki Nie, and today we're bringing you a 10-minute, full-body, low-impact workout. This episode is presented by Allegra. For non-drowsy, 24-hour allergy relief in 1 hour, try Allegra this allergy season.
Being outside always gives me a fresh perspective, especially when allergy symptoms aren't getting in the way. Here are some of my favorite tips for getting the most out of your outdoor workout. Plan a stop at a halfway point to stretch or meditate. Treat that time as sacred and inspirational. Make specific playlists for yourself. Save those for outdoor workouts only so they feel extra special. Make sure your home is stocked with Allegra to combat seasonal allergies. With 24 hours of relief, Allegra helps you enjoy every moment. Now, let's get back to your workout.
You ready to get moving?
I am.
Let's do this. All right, let's warm it up just by starting with some easy marches in place. So this workout is low impact, but high intensity. So we're not gonna do any jumping, but we wanna make sure that we keep the energy up. And we got my girls in the house to make sure we do just that. Keep that going, maybe get the knees just a little bit higher. We're gonna take it to a lat squeeze with a butt kick in 3, in 2, in 1. So take it out, squeeze it back. So heel to the glute, and then really feel your shoulder blades squeeze behind you, starting to open up your chest. So whether you're working through some injuries, maybe have some joint pain, this is gonna be a great workout. We'll be standing the whole time without any high intense jumping impact so that you can stay feeling really good. Keep the energy up for 3, for 2, for 1. Keep the legs wide. Let's take an A-frame toe touch. So reaching down towards the toe, opposite hand to foot. And know if you can't reach the toe, you can always bend the knees a lot or a little bit, keeping your spine nice and flat. All right, wake the body up. Awesome job for even just starting this workout. If you haven't been reminded in a while, I'm here to tell you that you are meant for greatness. So good job on just getting the body moving today. Let's finish it out in 3, 2, 1, go ahead and give me some nice shoulder rolls. Take a deep breath in with the shoulder rolls. Let it go. Take the shoulders forward. Setting it up, getting in the mindset that you're gonna give it your all, because the more you give, the more you get back. 1 more all the way back. All right, we've got 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off today. So we're gonna begin with a star step. So the legs start together, almost like a jumping jack, but you know, we ain't jumping. So just starting that whenever you're ready. We got 45 seconds on. We got Tara in the house, woo! Alexa, hey, keeping you going. We're in this together.
Yes, we are.
Amen, amen. So notice that you can go a little bit more full out if you want it, or you could take it a little bit more easy. Just know where you're at, find your edge. See if you can push yourself through this whole workout. More than halfway there. Remember to breathe in the nose, out the mouth. Nostril breathing is gonna help oxygenate the body so much quicker, getting all that oxygen into all 5 chambers of your lungs. Stay with it, you got your last 7 seconds. We're gonna take a little 15-second break. I'm gonna show you what the next move coming up is. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 15 seconds to rest, chill out. I'm gonna show you knee drives. You're gonna start standing up nice and tall, reach long. As you pull the elbows down, drive the knee into the chest and alternate legs. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Second move in the house. Let's keep it up. Just finding that strength, inner strength, making sure that you believe in yourself. Yeah, you gotta believe in yourself. And in order to believe in yourself, you gotta be able to be you. So show up fully as yourself wherever you're at today, whether you've been working out consistently or just getting back to it. And when you are yourself, you love yourself, yes. And that self-love helps you to believe in yourself. It's like this beautiful, never-ending cycle. We're almost there. You got to last 5 seconds. Can you turn up the intensity just a little bit more? Maybe it's a little quicker, knee a little bit higher. 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Catch your breath. The next move is a skater step. Reach high in the center. Take the opposite leg back. Try to touch the floor. Come back and change sides. So we're at a little cross step, inner thighs work. 3, 2, 1, reach high, and then take that skater lunge all the way up and drop it down. Try to keep your chest lifted here, The back knee almost touches the floor without hitting it. And make sure that that front knee stays over the toe. So really find the alignment there. All the way up, all the way down. Are you with me? How are we feeling?
We're in this, we're in this.
Is the heart rate elevated?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. Me too, not just me. Finish it out right here. Got our last 10 seconds. So again, can you reach a little higher and then a little bit lower? Find that oppositional pull. Stay strong for 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds, rest, catch your breath. The next move, we're gonna take a knee drive with a lunge. So it's taking the same side, back knee, and then drive it up. Hands will come to the thigh. Take an inhale. Exhale. We are halfway through, baby. Let's go. Take it to a lunge and then drive that back knee all the way forward. Really making sure that your standing leg, you're finding your balance, you're staying elevated, tight through your core, and then really adding that extra intensity without needing to jump. You can bring that knee high up to the chest. That's it. Doing amazing. Keep breathing.
Yeah. The burn.
Yes, embrace the burn. That's where the change is happening. You feel that, Alexa?
Oh, I do. Definitely.
5 more seconds. Then we got the other side. Let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Oh my goodness. This time, I want you to take it a little bit more. Yeah, find that speed, find that drive, keep your energy up.
Yes.
We only got 4 more minutes. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Take it down and up. This workout is flying by.
That's half the battle.
Yes. So make it count. Make each lunge count. Keep your form up, energy up. That's why even when you don't feel like you got the time, you still are able to squeeze in your workout. It's about consistency, right?
Yes.
That's right.
Move daily, do a little something. Last 15 seconds.
Ooh, got this.
Burn it out, baby. I feel it with you. Keep it going. Eye on the prize. What made you start this workout? Finish it strong. 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Amazing.
Oh,
Take a breath. The next move I'll show you here. Legs are parallel. Keep the spine nice and straight. Hinge from your hips with a deadlift. As you come up, the leg comes out to the side, keeping it parallel. Back to a deadlift. Other side. Let's give it a go. Join us. Deadlift with that side leg lift. So in the deadlift, really push the hips back. Keep your chest open. Spine nice and tall so it comes parallel to the floor. If you need to micro bend those knees, feel free to. And you might not be able to reach as far. You know, bend over, touch some toes. If that doesn't quite happen, that's okay. Keep breathing. You're meant for greatness. Don't stop now. We just got 2 more minutes. Last moves coming up. 3, 2, finish this side. All right, that's it, last move. We're taking a squat. In your squat, stay nice and low, knees over the toes, keep your chest lifted. You have 4 punches straight out in front of you. Stand up nice and tall, squeeze your glutes, 4 punches straight out. Are you with me?
Let's do it.
Last one, let's hit it. Take it low, 4 punches. Take it high, squeeze the glutes, 4 punches. And then go at your own pace. Keep your core tight as if I was punching you in the gut each time. Ba, 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 ba. We're after you. And then keep your chest nice and lifted as well so that we're not collapsing in the chest.
I like it.
Yeah, get that intensity out. Get out any of those emotions, that anger, that frustration.
The time for sure.
We all have it. It's natural. We weren't built to be happy 24/7. So in your workout, you can process the stuff in a healthy way that happens in life. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna stay low. Our last 30 seconds. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Stay low. Punch it out right here. Come on. Give it all you got. This is it. You're over that big hump already. So finishing out, last 15 seconds. Chest up, deep breath in. Keep the punches. Last 10 seconds, almost there.
Let's go.
Come on, finish it with me. All you got for 3, 2, out. So good. Deep breath in. Go ahead and turn out the toes. Take the hands to the thighs. Go ahead and press one shoulder down. You did it.
We did.
We did it.
Amazing.
You did it. Go to the other side. Amazing, amazing job. Take the arms all the way up. Find your balance. Go ahead and reach back, grab a hold of one foot, stretch out your quad, drop the knees down, maybe even squeeze the inner thighs together. Feel tall, feel proud. If you fall over, that's okay. You just held it together for the last 10 minutes. So way to stay strong through this high intensity, low impact, full body workout. Lower that leg down and you crushed it. 10 minutes, low impact, full body workout. Y'all got it done. Thanks so much to Allegra for presenting this episode. Hit us up for more on Class Fit Sugar. Yo.